So I found a baby bird. I think it's a baby robin. But this little girl had him. So I gave him a little bit of water. Look, I think he's dying. I do not know. Oh, aren't you good, little baby? Oh, you're so pretty. Yes, you're so adorable, little baby. And Mama's up there somewhere. I can hear her. But this little little baby's dying, I think. Oh, yes, yes. You're so adorable, aren't you? Yes, yes, you're talking. Ah. Oh, you little chiquito. Yes, you're so adorable. Yeah, look. There they are. The cats. I think they got him. They stole him. I think he has an injured arm. Hold on. Oh, he just pooped on me. Are you the most adorable little thing? You pooped on my hand. Hmm? He's very hot. He's warm. I think because he was laying on the sun over there in this little spot right here. Right here. That's where I picked him up because the cats were circling him. So I don't know if he fell. Tienes calor, precioso. Oh, such a cute little baby. It's so adorable. So yeah, I know Mom is for sure up there. I saw her. She's a robin. And I hear her. And I told her to come get her baby. But this little one, I don't think he's gonna make it. Because he was just like laying there to die. But anyways, I'm gonna give him some water. Look at him. You see how he's falling asleep? Aww. Oh, you're the cutest little adorable. I wish I could be a bird. Yeah, he's a little robin. Look. Oh, so cutie.